You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be analyzing the good charts. We are going to be analyzing the good charts to determine what we are going to be trading this coming week. So this is good on the 4-hour time frame. So we are going to navigate through the forex chart and see what the market is going to give us. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be analyzing the good charts. We are going to be analyzing the good charts to determine what we are going to be trading this coming week. So this is good on the 4-hour time frame. So we are going to navigate through the forex chart and see what the market is going to give us. So looking at this chart, you will see that this market, judging from this zone, the market is actually making a higher lows, higher lows, higher and higher lows. So it's expected the market to continue to break this high, thereby creating another higher high, then come back for a pullback, then continue the trend. So that is what we are expecting for this week that is coming, but we'll not rely on this 4-hour time frame to make our trading decisions. Let's navigate through other time frame to see what the market is going to give us. Okay, on the 1-hour time frame, this market is actually on a zone. If you check this 4-hour time frame, you will spot that. Okay, let's check this zone. This market is on daily time frame. Okay, this is a resistance zone. This is a resistance. This market is actually on a resistance zone. I don't know if I should call this a fake out, because the market broke this resistance zone. Is supposed to pull back to it and continue, but what did it do? It pull back on this thing, did as if it wants to continue, then start falling again. Now the market is still on that zone again. So if you look at the price reaction on that zone, you will see what the market is doing here. You will see this. The market closed with a pin bar, that candlestick there, a pin bar rejection candlestick pattern. That is a reversal pattern. So that is how the daily time frame closed on this particular market. So let's check to see if this pin bar we are seeing here, if it's going to give us a good trading decision or not. Okay, this is 4-hour time frame now. The market is currently retesting a trend line. Currently making this is the first touch, second touch. This is the third touch of the trend line, and the fourth touch of the trend line. And remember, all these zones you are seeing here, all these candlesticks you are seeing here are rejections, like I showed you on the daily time frame. So if this market breaks below this zone, let's go to the 1-hour time frame so it will be clear. If this market breaks below this zone, we are expecting the market, if it breaks below this range that is doing here and break this trend line, we are expecting the market to come to this zone and either continue or retest this trend line and continue falling. So those are the two scenarios. It's either the market breaks this trend line, come to tap on this structure and continue going up, or the market pulls down to this structure, it tests this broken trend line and continue down. So this the other scenarios. So whatever the market does on Monday that the market is going to open, we react, we follow. But what I'm going to be doing on this chart, I'll be waiting for this market to come all the way to this zone. Then I will go to the 15 minutes time frame and look for candlestick patterns that will push the market upwards. So that is what I will be looking for on gold. So for this coming week on gold, I am bullish. Initially, for the early Monday, I expect the market to break this zone, this range here. I expect the market to break and pull back to this zone before the market continue going up. So for gold this coming week, I am going to be bullish. So let's check US30 and see what we are going to have. Okay, this is US30. Okay, this is the daily time frame on US30. Okay, the market is on a resistance zone. Look at this zone, this bar here. The market is a resistance zone, and as you can see, the market is currently reacting to that zone. So let's check the 4-hour time frame to see what the market is doing. Okay. So from this zone here, this market has been going up to this zone before we get this pullback. Now the market has moved up to this zone, up to this resistance zone. There's no significant pullback. So I expect this resistance zone now to push this market down to this supply zone for a very good pullback before the market continue on the upward move. So let's see if that zone is going to match with our Fibonacci. Okay, so for next week, we'll wait for the market. For next week, we'll wait for the market to break this trend line. We'll wait for something like this. Then we can join the trend to this demand zone. Then before we continue with the upward move. So it's going to be a very good, it's going to be a sweet ride when the market comes to this zone. But first we are going to follow the market from this zone. That is if the market breaks this zone. So we are going to join here, ride it all the way to this zone. That's about 6.58 risk to reward ratio. So it's a very good one. We'll write it from this zone to here before we join the overall trend, which is bullish. So thank you for watching. For next week, let's keep our fingers crossed and trade with good discipline and psychology.